Hey YouTube, it's Fix It with Biscuit. We got a project here, and the things you're gonna need is you're gonna need a razor knife. You're gonna need some sort of hard tool, little flat screwdriver will work perfect. You're gonna need a glove, and you're gonna need a water bottle or a Pepsi bottle, Coke bottle. That doesn't matter, So you're gonna cut the water bottle in half, is what we did. You're gonna throw this piece away. We're just looking for this piece. The first thing you're going to do here after you cut it is you're going to peel off the part that snaps off of the cap when you're first buying a soda or whatever, that crisp, crunch. You need that piece here. Don't know what it's called. We'll call it a collet or whatever. Then we're going to need a glove, and you want to cut your glove because you need a finger. We just need one. Yep, we got her dirty already, but that's okay. And then you're going to want to put it on here, and you're going to want to center it towards center like that. And then you take that piece that breaks off the cap, like I said, that we're going to call the collet. And which I don't even know if that's the right word to use, but it sounded professional. So, and then you got yourself a shooter. We're gonna go ahead and let my son, that thinks he's Mr. Annie Oakley or whatever over here that can shoot anything, go ahead and try this first. We're gonna move the camera so you guys can see his so awesome shot here. Alrighty, so let's go ahead there, Annie. Oh, wow. That didn't even come close. My turn.
It hit. You can see where it hit.
Where?
Tell me it didn't hit it.
No, it didn't come close to the target.
I see
You see it where it's on the, top flap.
Yeah, at least I hit
You're
it.
supposed to be freaking shooting it like that. See?
Let me try again.
Let you try again. Okay. Go ahead, sir. Take your worst shot. Just don't shoot me. Oh, way to go there, buddy. You broke it. 5 seconds in your hand, just like anything else that you touch.
Hey.
So, YouTube, Mr. Annie Oakley broke it. These things, I've played with these things for days upon days and never broke them. He touches it for 5 seconds. 5 seconds, YouTube. Look at this guy over here. Mr. Touching stuff and breaking it. Yeah, huh? Now fix it, sir. You show me. You broke it, you fix it. Okay. We're going to YouTube this up here. Jeez Louise, you're slow, buddy. Super fast, huh?
Yeah.
Well, we got it on camera who's faster. So we'll see. We can timestamp it, buddy.
But
Oh, yeah. Losing the parts now, huh?
no.
See, this is what I'm working with here, YouTube.
Hey.
This guy right here thinks he's so much better than his pops. And he just throwing stuff around, messing stuff up, making me tongue-tied. Don't know what the heck I'm saying. Oh, yeah, that's a sharp knife you're using backwards. You see that, YouTube? Oh, wow. That's super awesome. Huh? How's that working for you, super faster? Okay, mister. You about through that log there you're chopping? Which is a glove? Do you need a chainsaw?
No.
Whoa! You still are there. Oh, that's too good. Are you about there? You still not through it? Try pushing harder.
Oh my God.
Okay. Well, yeah. Mr. Speedy Gonzalez over here is just, hammering right along. Oh, yeah.
Be quiet.
Yeah. You got it? Me and my brothers used to make these in seconds and shoot each other all day long. We didn't have BB guns. My mom didn't believe in guns, so we had to make our own little shooters. It's better, these water bottles and stuff they use today are super flimsy. It's better to use like a Pepsi bottle or something like that. And the cap part on the top that I was calling a collet is super tough. A lot more. Oh, wow, you got a hole in yours already. All right, whatever. Let's set this up there, YouTube. Oh, yeah. It's fun. It's fun. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Oh, you actually hit it. Oh, that, and then you hit it.
See, you hit it.
All right.
It's the hole that made it
There's
better.
2 holes in it. Oh, the hole made it better, huh?
Yeah, more aerodynamic.
Oh, okay. Okay.
See?
Hey, she's working. All right, we're going to get one more shot in here, YouTube, and then we're going to take off out of here. And
This time.
let's see this guy here. Go ahead. You can't write that. You sure you got it? Hey, you broke. Did you shoot 2?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, cool. If you actually wind these up pretty hard and get,
Oh, okay, one more.
go ahead. If you get a really good glove that's really stretchy, it'll actually shoot through the cardboard. We tested it the other day against an airsoft pistol, and it shoots way harder than an airsoft pistol.
It does.
So, all right, YouTube. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.